Looking for the best battery? We often ask this question because we are used to purchasing traditional batteries like AA and AAA. Buying traditional batteries is easy because basic electronics are all about buying the right size and quantity. Single battery flashlight, 2 battery remote, 8D cell boombox. It's a simple system and we're all accustomed to it. But batteries for vaping doesn't work this way. Asking which battery is best for vaping is an incomplete question. They come in various ranges and we need to know which one is the right one for each of our individual setups, because using the wrong battery could be potentially dangerous. The problem with the current market is that batteries are all labeled according to amperage, but vaping is mostly based on wattage, and that is the issue. So if a battery's wrapper claims X amount of amperage, what does that mean? What does it translate to? Promoting battery safety by trying to explain Ohm's law is at times long and tedious. Most of us just want to get to vaping. But is there a simpler way of selecting the right battery? Pegasus Vapor Academy has created a simple classification system labeled Type A through E. We've converted all the amp ratings to wattage settings. You know, the language that vapors actually speak. All of the math is done for you, so now you know the recommended limits of your battery. We've also went ahead and printed all this information right on our product. Batteries with higher amperage ratings allow for the potential of higher settings. It does not actively add more power. Therefore, intentionally using a higher rating does not mean it will hit harder. Staying within the recommended settings of your label is what makes you safe. Intentionally using a higher amp rating will not make you more safe. PVA batteries are top-shelf A-grade cells with 100% honest specs. We use the best PVC that doesn't tear nor snag easily over regular use. So no more rewrapping or double wrapping. Our cells are also backed by a 120-day warranty. We are an American-based company and offer free shipping to all US territories. There are no such 18650 batteries with a current rating greater than 30 amps. Any wrapper that claims otherwise is false and does this for marketing reasons. So to recap, although there is no such thing as the overall best battery, there is a best in each class. PVA is constantly testing new batteries that are released to the public market to make sure that our cells are using the current king of the hill in each class. It is very important that we do not fall into general recommendations or blanket statements of which batteries are best. We do not all vape the same, we do not all use the same equipment. So what is right for someone else may not be right for you. Come visit us at PegasusVaporAcademy.com to choose an excellent battery for the way you vape and start vaping clever.